80 animals.
Firefly.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you today? I'm great. This class will learn about an insect, the firefly. This is a firefly. Its body can make light. Let's learn some words. Take a look at the pictures.
Burn. If something is burning, it is on fire. In the picture, the cat has fire on its front left leg. We say, the leg is burning. Signal. A signal is a gesture. Using the signal, we give a message to someone else. In the picture, the woman shows her fingers in the shape of a circle. She gives a signal with her fingers, meaning okay. Do you also give the same signal to say okay? Throughout. Throughout means during the whole time. In the picture, the boy reads a comic book throughout the night. He may be very tired next morning.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Throughout. Signal. Burn.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
Can animals make light? Yes, an insect can make light. The insect is a firefly. It is also called a lightning bug. The light isn't hot, so you don't have to worry about getting burned by a firefly. A firefly makes light from the hind part of its body. The light's color is yellow, green, or light red, depending on the species. A firefly communicates using its light. For example, a male firefly gives signals to its girlfriend using its light. A firefly produces light throughout its life. When it is a larva, it makes light when moving on land. When it is an adult, it makes light when flying in the air.
What is another name for a firefly? Lightning bug. Signal bug. Where can you see light on a firefly? on its eyes. On its hind. What is true about a firefly? A firefly communicates using its light. Only adult fireflies can produce light.
Did you enjoy the class? I did too. This is the end of our lesson. Good job today.